Hello world, this is ctcreature, and today we have a very special guest, Mr. Bird. We were going to have an interview with Mr. Bird, but we realized that I can't speak bird, and neither can most of the audience here. So we have his translator. So, Bird, what are your plans to do for this new year?
He says he got no plan, little people. I poop and sleep and poop some more.
Right. So, what do you want to do in 2008?
He says I always wanted to be on Dancing with the Stars with Vanessa and Hutchins. Or work at McDonald's. That's my backup plan.
So, what do you want to do with your life?
He says I actually lead a hidden life that I am ready to reveal.
Oh, really?
Yes. By day I am a bird, but by night I am a secret agent. 009.
Really? What have you done?
Killed Osama.
Really?
Yes, and we even have a theme song.
Really?
Yeah, want to hear it? Okay, here we go! Was that cool or what?
Right. I'm gonna go.
Fine, I was just saying it.